Hi, thank you for checking out the video. This is a shout out to Sennheiser and the kind of service that they provide. I have purchased a Sennheiser MK600 in 2020 and I used it for almost 1.5 years. It has a 2 years warranty. And what happened is it has an option to run or power it using a AAA battery. It has a slot where you can put a battery and you don't need to use the phantom power on your interface. So that is an option. So I was using that and I left the battery inside that slot. And guess what? After some time, the battery kind of leaked and it spread into the microphone or into the circuitry or something. So after some time, recently it started showing some problem in terms of some kind of bursting noise coming out of it while I was using it with a phantom power, and I was heavily unhappy because that is my workhorse microphone and I use it for voiceover purpose on a daily basis. So I contacted the service center. They asked me to submit it in Mumbai service center. I submitted it there and it took them for 3-4 days to find out the problem, and they said they repaired it. And they gave me back the microphone. I took it back, I came here, I plugged it in again and I turned on the phantom power, and guess what? The problem was still persisting. So I contacted them again and told them it's not fully fixed. And they were like, okay, sorry. Submit the microphone with all the accessories and the packaging box so that we can offer you a replacement. I was surprised and I did not have the packaging box, so I had to courier it from my hometown and get it here. It cost me around 550 rupees. I totally made like 3 visits to the service center. It cost me around 180 rupees. Yeah, I counted all that. So around 700 rupees, let's say. Guess what? They replaced my old one with a new microphone. Amazing. Like, I was not expecting that, but it has a manufacturing date of, if you can see, May 2022. And mine was a 2020 manufactured microphone, the old one. I am pretty happy with Sennheiser's service, so I thought I should make a shout out video. If at all you have a Sennheiser product and you face any issues, do not repair it yourself. Take it to the service center if you are in warranty period, obviously. It has an MRP of around 30,000 now. I got it from Amazon for around 20,000 in 2020. I used it for 1.5 years. It was working perfectly fine for all my voiceover purpose. It's an amazing microphone. Yeah, this came inside the box, which was not there in my old unit. This is an XLR to headphone jack connector. This is for the purpose of mounting it on a camera. I'm just testing it out and it's sounding amazing. I don't know if it's better than the older one because of the wear and tear on dust in my old unit. Probably it almost sounds similar, but I'm kind of happy that I got the new one. Yay. Thank you for checking out the video. Thank you, Sennheiser, and hope you buy a Sennheiser product and enjoy it. Take care.